friends, my name is Taylor Chu. Today I'm going to show you a makeup tutorial for a scarecrow. Now this isn't a mean or scary scarecrow, this is a friendly and approachable scarecrow. And we're going to use both regular makeup and face paint. Let's get started. Okay, that's it friends. Friendly, scary Halloween makeup ready to play. Whether you're trick-or-treating or giving out treats this Halloween, I hope you have a great time. If you want to check out my other videos, I have crafting, baking, and face painting tutorials on my channel. My name is Taylor Chu. I hope you have a happy and safe Halloween.